In this video, we want to share with you how the indicators work and what you'd be looking for. Now, what you're seeing here manually, we'll be talking in a few days how it can be done with an automated tool. So everything the automation does for you, you can see by just manually scrolling through. The advantage being that the tool can look at more pairs than you can. So you might be concentrating on one pair and the indicator gives you heads up on something else. So basically, I've marked two vertical lines here. This is what you're looking for, that fresh cross on the filter. Fresh cross on the filter. I've only marked a couple. You can see there are some other really good moves in here as well. Now, so what I'm going to do is go to the smaller time frame and show you what you look for there. This is the 15-minute chart. Now remember, this can also be done on the larger time frames. So if you don't like the 15, 5, and 1, use the 1 hour, 15, and 5 minute. You can use larger time frames to do the same thing. Get this concept. The 15 is crossing the filter zero line, that's heads up. That's what we're looking for is on the 5 minute for it to cross the filter zero line as well. And so we'll move this, we had to wait 5 minutes before that filter crossed. Then the 1 minute needs to be on the correct side and a 4-bar or an early bird filter, and this would be the entry signal for that trade. You can see how early you're getting the signals to get into that trade. Now we're going to go back to the 5 minute, and so you can see there was a trade there, a nice trade there. This one wasn't really fast, but it was good, solid, consistent. And then we get over to this one. This is where we marked the other one where the 15-minute went across the zero line. The 5 minute had to wait 5 minutes before it went across the zero line. And then the 1 minute, we had to wait 2 or 3 minutes before it went across. So not everything's set up exactly the same time. So when the first signal is given to you, then you start looking. This is how you do it manually. That's what the scanner, the tool, would do for you, is it would be scanning all these and bring to your attention when the 1 minute is finally in alignment with the 5 and the 15 minute. So that's what it looks like going short. Now let's take a look at this one going long. You can see these as they're happening. You can anticipate and wait for them. There are two entries right here close together. Now we look at these on the 15 and then see what it looks like on the 5 and the 1 minute. So you see it had a fresh cross or a fresh color change. Either one is what you'll be looking for. Now we go to the 5 minute. Now it has to be a fresh cross also. Okay, manually, if you see that, you wait for it till you do see it, and then you go to the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, remember we need to have a 4-bar or an early bird filter. Right here be the signal for the 1 minute, and this is what you visually can see. This was a smaller trade. It went up a little bit, came back, and then gave you possibly 20 pips, but 10 to 15 pips could have been taken out of that section. You probably want to get out and go into this at this next spot over here. And right here would be the entry signal right in this area. You can see that's where a nice trade took place. So that's how simple the strategy is. You just have to have patience. Wait for the setups to come to you. It came and went out of compliance. The retracement came again. You take the trade in that direction. So you can see how you can trade the market going each direction, waiting for the indicators to bring the trades to your attention. Check out your emails the next few days. We'll have more information on the scanner and how it works. So we'll see you soon.